How to view TikTok account analytics. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to view TikTok account analytics. So first thing, just head over to your TikTok application and make sure you're logged into your account, and once you're inside here, just tap on this profile icon at the bottom right corner, and as you can see there is a TikTok studio option. Just select it, and from over here basically you can see all of your analytics like your recent views under the 7 days, your recent followers or likes, and all of its percentage. So you can also tap on this view all button right under the settings gear icon, and you can view in-depth from everything from over here, like traffic source, your account metrics, search queries, and your content, your viewers, as well as followers, as well as live section if you have more than 10,000 or followers. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.